Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily access and manage the hidden app settings on your iPhone and iPad. Did you know that even the hidden apps on your device have their own settings that can manage and customize? Well, whether you need to adjust notifications, permissions, privacy options, or app specific preferences, knowing how to access the settings for hidden apps is essential. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on the apps option. Then you have to head over to the bottom of the screen and tap on hidden apps option. If prompted, make sure to authenticate using your Face ID. Now you should see the list of all the apps that you have hidden on your device. Next, open the specific app in question to view its settings and fine tune them depending on your needs. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily access and manage the hidden app settings on your iPhone and iPad. As you can see, hiding an app doesn't mean losing control over its permissions and preferences. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives in order to perfectly fine tune all the apps that you have consumed on your device. And I'll catch you up in the next one.